2013 Durango with a 3.6 Pentastar in it, and it has got coolant problems. Running a little warm, so sounds like it's sucking air. As you can see on this thing, 54,000 miles. Just goes to show if you take care of them, they'll take care of you. Replacement, because you see these are plastic. I don't know if you can see that or not, actually. I'll show you the new one in a minute. Anyway, you have to take this intake off, so let's do that. Doing its job. And I don't know if that housing was cracked or if that thermostat was just going bad. It's not the first one I've had do me that way. But anyway,